Want a custom ringtone from Zedge on your iPhone? In this quick video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to set it up, step by step. First, open the Zedge app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, download Zedge from the App Store and then tap to open it. On Zedge's home screen, tap the Ringtones section, then use the search bar or browse to find a ringtone you like. Tap on the ringtone to preview it. If you like how it sounds, tap the download or save button for that ringtone. Zedge will show you an option like Save to Files or Export. Choose the option that saves the ringtone file to your iPhone's Files app. Pick a simple folder in Files, like on my iPhone, and tap Save. Your ringtone file is now stored on your device and ready to use in Settings. Next, go to your iPhone home screen, tap the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptics, tap Ringtone. This is where you choose which sound plays when someone calls you. You'll see a list of default iPhone tones. Below those, look for your newly added tone. It may appear under a section like Custom or under the file name you saved. Tap the new ringtone to select it. You'll hear a quick preview so you can confirm it's the right one. Once the check mark is next to your Zedge tone, it's officially your active ringtone. You can press the side button to lock your phone, no need to change anything else. Now when someone calls, your custom Zedge ringtone will play. That's it, easy steps, all done. Pause the video, follow along, and enjoy your new sound.